Hello everyone. 79% win rate, 537% profit. Profit factor over 3. On Bitcoin. Sounds like a money printer. It's a grid EA with Martingale. And download it now, rbot.cc, full backtest. No email, no catch. Here's how it works. The EA places buy and sell pending orders at grid levels. Price hits a level, order triggers. If price reverses against it, the Martingale kicks in. Next lot doubles, then doubles again until Bitcoin comes back. 698 trades, 79% win rate. That win rate is not skill, it's the grid. Most trades close small, $5, $10. But when Bitcoin trends and doesn't come back, the Martingale ladder keeps loading. That's where the 64% equity drawdown lives. Balance says 12%, equity screams 64%. If you don't understand that gap, do not trade this EA. Is it profitable? Backtest says 537%. Do grid EAs blow accounts all the time? This is a tool, not a retirement plan. Trade cent accounts, use a VPS. Never let it run unattended on money you need. rbot.cc, no hype, full backtest. Stay safe out there.